again, guys, to Study by Yourself, and this is a very short video, and this and my new series on this new playlist after school. After school, mostly people are thinking, what's next? Am I going to continue to the next level or what? But as you wait for your results, you can do something better. That's why I created this channel. I've created a Telegram group where I post Udemy tutorials, coupon Udemy tutorials, where you can have access to learn for yourself, study by yourself. You are just learning by yourself, and you can expect nothing but the best. So what I want you to do now is that just scroll to the description below and then join the Telegram group. I post at least every day one or two coupon Udemy tutorials, which will blow your mind. You will learn something. By the time you are ready for school, you will have one or two skills you can use to make money. Thank you. I'll urge you to share the YouTube channel with your friends, and let's keep learning, let's keep improving ourselves.